does it go? Where does it stop? Watch for the sign of the lollipop. Stop! It's the playground stop.
Girls and boys come out to play. Let's take a ride on a train today.
All right, what have you got there? Hey, a couple of tubes. Hey, they'll be good for making the funnels. Right, those in the middle. And what have you got there?
Plates.
Plates. What do you think these will be good for making?
Wheels.
That's right, wheels. Oh, hello there. Can you guess what we're making today? No, you can't. Well, I'll show you some more things. Come with me. Take a look at this. What's this we've got? That's right, cotton wool. Very good for making smoke. Have you guessed anything yet? And look, we've got here loads and loads of boxes. Now, these boxes will be good for making carriages, won't they?
Boxes.
That's right, the boxes will be. And what's this? What's this?
Ribbons.
That's right, ribbons, and these will be good for making something else as well. So, whilst you're having a guess at what we could be possibly making with all of this stuff, take a look and see what Elizabeth is riding on today.
Oh, hello. The children and I are off on a special journey today. We're going on a train. But we're not just going on any old train, are we? No! We're going on a very special one. Come and see. Right, we better start getting you all on. And you want to start sit on the... Ready, that's it. Ooh. This is Dougal. Although he's small, he's a real steam engine, just like Thomas the Tank Engine. He doesn't burn diesel like big trains do nowadays. He's run by steam. When your grandparents were young, all the big trains were run on steam. Dougal may be small, but he's very strong. Well, let's go! Okay. What do you think? Was that fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, brilliant. Anyone else like it? Did you like it?
Yeah.
What did you like best? Yes?
When it goes round.
When it goes round?
I like to drive the engine. It makes a lot of smoke. Good fun. I like the signal.
Did you like the steam?
Yeah.
If you turn that round, you can do another side now. Dave, I've got it. Got what, Chester? I've guessed it. I've guessed that you're making a car. A car? Children, is he right?
No.
Oh, well, it looks like a car to me, especially with those wheels. Yeah, but think of another thing that you travel on that has wheels. A motorbike?
No.
A motorbike?
No.
No. Well, I didn't think that you were making a motorbike. So, what are are you making?
A choo-choo train.
That's right, a train or a choo-choo.
Of course, a train. Well, I knew what it was, really. Of course I did. Yeah, of course I did.
Oh, yeah, of course you did, Chester. I don't think. Right, let's take a look at the front part of this train. What are you doing here? Oh, yeah, that's it. Yep. Put that part through the hole there. Oh, you've got to twist it round, though. Can you do it? Can you do it? Go on, have another go. I've got this end here. Push it in. Got my hands right there. Oh, that's... Oh, and a bit more. That's it. It's in. It's in. Now push that bit there. That's the funnel. That's lovely. And that's wonderful. Look at that.
Well, it's going to be a pretty big train, much bigger than Dougal.
Listen, if you think that Dougal's a tiny train, now you take a look at this one. This one is a really, really tiny steam engine.
Work keeping a model train like Dougal here in good working order. Still, it's all part of the fun. OK, Alan, what do we need?
Oh, Liz, well, I think we need some coal and
Coal?
we need some water.
Right, Katie, can you bring the water over?
Oh, I better tell you where to put it. There you go, Katie. Can you squirt it in here, please? There you go.
And
Well
Thomas,
done.
can you bring the coal over?
Come on, Thomas, I'll show you where it goes. It goes on the front there. Is that all right, Liz?
Yeah.
Just for that. I think that'll do. Well done.
The coal is stored in the front of the engine here. And when Alan needs it, he takes it and puts it in here, into the firebox, which is like a sort of oven. And then all the water that's in the tank comes through the pipes and goes over the top of the firebox and gets really hot. So hot that it turns into steam. A bit like a kettle, really. And all the steam goes through the pipes so fast that it pushes the wheels round. Now, with such a big track and lots of trains, you need signals and points to guide the train onto different parts of the track. The points and the lights are worked from the signal box. And we're ready to go.
Well, this is definitely beginning, to look like a train. What sort of train is it? Wow, a steam train, just like Thomas the Tank Engine. Ah, but what do you think this is?
A splodge of paint.
Ooh.
What will this shape make? Have you any idea? Watch very closely. It'll all become clear. A squiggle. A wiggle. Wheels. It's a train. Number 1. 2.
6 trains on the right track. Clickety-clap, 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 clickety-clap.
Hello, let's dance. It's time to dance, so move your body just like me. Now's your chance to get up and move around. You will see just how easy it can be. 1, 2, 3, it's time to dance. Shake a hand, shake a leg, wriggle around, nod your head, jump in the air, on the floor. Now stand up and dance some more. It's time to dance, so move your body just like me. Now's your chance to get up and move around. You will see just how easy it can be. 1, 2, 3, it's time to dance. Let's float in the air, cotton clouds without a care in the world. Toy soldiers on the street, marching to the beat of the big bass drum. It's time to dance, so move your body just like me. Now's your chance to get up and move around. You will see just how easy it can be. 1, 2, 3, it's time to dance. 1, 2, 3, it's time to dance. Time to dance. Woo! Did you dance? Bye.
I know a rhyme about going on a train journey. And the sign for going on a journey is like this. Journey. And the sign for train is like this. See if you can spot them. I often go by bus or car to town and back again. But when my journey's really far, I like to go by train. I like to see the fields and trees and cows go whizzing past. Houses, schools and factories all zoom by very fast. I quite like ships with funnels. I like to fly by plane, but I'd rather go through tunnels in a high-speed train. Well, after having all that fun on the train, the children are now back in the classroom, where they're going to make some train models and pictures. OK, off you go. So, Neil, who are these two people on the train?
Robert and me.
Which one's Robert?
This.
That's Robert. And the green one's you? So who's driving?
Me.
You are. That's brilliant. And Robert, who's on your train?
Me and Mum.
You and Mum. Which one's you?
The one with the red mouth.
That one. And the one with the green mouth must be your mum. And what sort of train is it that you've painted?
The red LMS.
There's a lot of people on your train, Natasha. Who are they?
The driver and Robert, Shane and Toho.
And Toho, you're not on it though. Or are you the driver? No. And over here we've got a lovely colourful train collage. Big picture made with all different bits and pieces. What's this you've used to make the tracks here?
Straw.
Drinking straws. And the steam, all the smoke and steam coming out of the funnel there. What?
It went in my eye.
This is cotton wool as well.
A splodge of paint.
Ooh! What will this shape make? Have you any idea? Watch very closely. It'll all become clear. A squiggle. A wiggle. Wheels. It's a train.
Number 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. Clickety-clack, clickety-clack. 6 trains on the right track. Clickety-clack, clickety-clack. Clickety-clack, clickety-clack.
Right, the moment I've been waiting for, my chance to be a proper train driver. Are we all ready? Yeah! Right then, Alan, let's go. We're off.
Ladies and gents, boys and girls, please get on board the 1023 train, which is leaving the playground stop and arriving at the, oh, we don't even know where we're going. Where are we going? Where are we going?
To the seaside!
Oh, and we're going to the seaside. We'll arrive there, well, as soon as we can. So get ready, everybody. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah. Woo, woo. Clickety clack. Choo choo. Hey, that's great going. Choo choo. That's it. Choo choo. Excellent. Oh, well, that's the train whistle, so it's time for us to go. We'll see you next week when we come back from the seaside. Bye-bye. Bye.